Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my very own eyelash extensions, and these are the eyelash extensions that I bought, and they're by the brand called B&Q, and they're literally so nice. I bought these from Amazon, and you can see how thin and nice they are. They're like pre-made fans, because obviously I can't make fans. They're literally so nice. They're not thick at the ends, they're not clumpy, so they wouldn't be so heavy on my eyelashes. So the ones that I bought ranges from 8mm to 15mm, and I'm trying to achieve this like doll-like look, and this is the map that I'm trying to follow. By the way, disclaimer, let me put it out there, I'm not a professional, nor am I an eyelash technician, so let's not come for me, thank you very much. I just want to try it out, because what does Mandy not try in this life? She likes to try everything. So today, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and do my DIY eyelash extensions. So I thought I'd give you a close-up of what the lashes look like, and these are called pre-made Russian volume lashes in a thickness of 0.10, and they're currently £8.29p on Amazon, but I'll put the link down below. These ones I'm going to use to separate it, and then use the other one to try and apply the eyelash. So let me just put my ring on. So I'm going to get my glue and put it into my ring. Hopefully it doesn't just like, oh, that's a lot. There you go, so I'll put some glue in there. So I'm going to start with this eye, and I'm just going to brush it out first using a spoon. Just brush my eyelashes. So literally pick one up. Definitely can't see that. And then dip it in your glue. Sometimes it can be really fiddly, but you really have to have patience with this, otherwise you're not going to get anywhere. So far, as you can see, I've made more progress. I'm going to quickly charge my battery and I'll be right back. Yeah, so this is what I've got up to since charging my battery. Defo a lot more filler. I want to start this eye, and then if I've got any more lashes left, I'm going to switch between, because I feel like I can add a bit more here and at the end. So I'm just going to start on this eye. can see that it's starting to get fuller, if it focuses. Yeah, so it's starting to get fuller now. I feel like this eye's better than this eye, but I've run out of some of the longer ones down here, so we'll just have to do. So I'm just going to add a few more in the gaps. So you get one, dip it in the glue, and then stroke it off, and then separate, place it on, let it set there for a little bit, then blow. I can't really do the ends here because my eyelashes are way there, so I'm just gonna leave those gaps and then fill in the gaps in the middle. So get that eyelash, dip it in the glue, and then separate. And obviously you need to blow. It's starting to look nice actually. So this is it. I've literally just finished. This is my end result. You can see them. I hope you can see them. I hope you can see a difference in fact. Yeah. Let me just zoom in so you can see it better. Okay. I still prefer this eye because it looks a lot fluffier. So that's it from me today. I hope you liked my DIY lash extensions. Please like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.